Good evening. That's number one. Can't forget about number one. I'm your boy Nerd Boy Q, and we are back with another episode of Just a Quick Forward with VBA. So we're gonna jump right back into it. So where we last left off was we had a nice table with our Pokemon data in it. We had it color coordinated, but we're gonna do some more math. So now we're gonna play with some math. So we're gonna say dim. Got to create a new variable called VAL for val, and we're gonna say double. The difference between double and integer. Integer is just a whole number. Double is a decimal point. So we're gonna say val equals, I don't know, we're going to use the functions that come in Excel, which is great. So we're going to say application, worksheet function. We'll do something called countif. And what I want to do is I want to count table.data body range. I'm going to say dot columns. And we care about column 3 because we want to count the number of grass type Pokemon in this entire Pokédex list. So just to test it out, we're going to say, let's print it in this column. What number is this column? Because we go by column numbers, not letters. So I say a good way to find this ain't equal column 17. Perfect. So now we got a reference point. So that's a quick way to get that. So then we're going to say, let's see, worksheet, that's cells. I'm going to say row, column 17, dot value, and we're going to say that equals, let's do some quick math to change this around really quick because we don't care about the number. We might want to know the percentage. So let's say val equals val divided by last row, which is the number of rows in the table. Subtract 1 because we got to account for the header. And of course we want percentage, so we'll multiply times 100. And let's round that to 2 decimal places with the round function. Cool. And we're going to say val and percent. Cool. So that should be actually, let's put that in 18. Just so we can keep it clean. And then in 17, we're going to say what we're talking about. Let's say grass. Boom. There we go. So let's try that. Click the button. Grass types. And we got to fix it real quick. And that tells us 8.76%. So that's cool. So now let's change it around a little bit. And now that we got that working, we can say, let's do it one more time and we'll do it with fire types. And we're going to say fire. That's it. Click it again. Fire types. There we go. So now we want to keep both. Let's just increase that row. We're on row 1 for fire types. We'll put that on row 2. And now we have both. So that's a nice way to get that. And I want to just fix this button. So I'm going to right click on that, click format control. And I'm going to say, actually, right click that. And once it's in that box, I'm going to right click that and I'm going to say run macro. There we go. So now when I click out of it, I click that, now I get it again, and that is working. So I'm going to stop the video now. We've edited the button, we've added some math, we've got some percentages, and we did, instead of iterating over every row, we actually used the functions that are built into Excel already. Thank you for liking, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. If you want notifications for new videos, click that bell up top. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, love y'all, keep it cold.